Hey guys, this is Vincent Bobo from Rhum Bar. Unfortunately, I can't make a cocktail in person, but I've got something that you can make at home right now. A Black Barrel Old Fashioned. Start off with coconut water. Coconut water ice cube. Brown sugar, Angostura, Angostura bitters, and any dark rum will work, but I like to use Mount Gay XO. So to start, take a little sprinkle of brown sugar, 2 ounces of dark rum, 1 ounce of Angostura, a few dashes of Angostura bitters, spoon, muddle a little bit, a few cubes of ice, stir. Strain. Garnish with orange peel, and there's your cocktail. Black Barrel Old Fashioned. So hopefully after all this quarantine craziness is over with, I can serve you one of these personally at Rhum Bar.